I came here because I was having reoccurring sinus infections 3 to 4 times a year, and it was getting to be unbearable. And I had a turbinoplasty, a sinuplasty, and a septoplasty. And I feel really great with my results. I can breathe better, there's great drainage, and I don't have that stuffy nose feeling or any of the other symptoms I was having. And it was the best thing that I've done for myself. There was minimal pain and minimal bleeding the first couple of days, and after that it just got really better, and it was worth it. And I would encourage you to have it done as well to help you.